Hello people, this is Dr. Muskan this side and I'm here in front of you to present a very beautiful case. Here is 46-year-old female who has came to Sharda Hospital ER at 12 am in night with the chief complaints of sudden onset weakness of left side of the body involving both limbs, upper limb as well as lower limb, slurring of speech since 8 pm, deviation of tongue is present and deviation of angle of mouth is also present. There is no history of headache, seizure, loss of consciousness, vomiting, photophobia, tongue bite, convulsions, diplopia, bowel and bladder incontinence, and from all this we have ruled out migraine and Todd's paralysis. In migraine we have ruled out familial hemiplegic migraine which have symptoms of hemiparesis, your acute headache and thrombing headache, and in Todd's paralysis, what is it? It is a neurological abnormality which is characterized by temporary limb weakness which typically occurs after your seizures. But there was no episode of seizures also, so we have ruled out seizure with the help of Todd's paralysis. She is known case of type 2 diabetes mellitus and she is on and off medications of metformin. Further, primary survey was done when she came to the hospital, that is ABC, airway, breathing and circulation. Airway was patent, breathing was also normal, respiratory rate 18 per minute, SpO2 was 91% on room air. Circulation assessment was done, pulse rate was 96 per minute, वो भी normal था क्योंकि normal कितना होता है 60 to 100 per minute. BP was 180 by 100 mmHg, मतलब she was hypertensive. Since her sensorium was alert, RBS was 380 mg per dl and patient was afebrile. On examination, there was no positive findings of parallel icterus, cyanosis, clubbing, lymphadenopathy, JVP. On systemic examination, CNS examination was done. Patient was oriented, conscious to time, place and person. Neck was free. There was no rigidity found, through which I want to rule out meningitis. Pupil was bilateral reactive. Left side of the body, when I have checked, power was 0 by 5. Tone was decreased. Deep tendon reflexes was initially absent, but now it is present. Means on arrival they were absent, but now it is present, and I will attach one video of reflexes with this video. करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमें फील दिखेगा ये प्रेजेंट है। उसके बाद हम अभी सुपिनेटर वाला रिस्ट वाला देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है। अब आप मुँह फुलाओ, यहाँ पे देखो ढंग से फुल पा रही है, लेकिन यहाँ पे नेज़ोलेबियल फोर्ड देखो ये डेविएटेड है। अपनी आँखें कस के बंद करो, ये वाली आँखें ढंग से बंद हो रही है, ये वाली नहीं। दोबारा करना, ये वाली बहुत टाइटली बंद, वो वाली हो ही नहीं रही। दोबारा बंद। Sensory was absent on the left side. When I was touching the patient, I asked her if she is able to feel that I am touching her. She said no. Then I used a pinpoint material and asked her that she is able to feel. She said no. On CVS examination, S1, S2 was heard. There was no murmur. Respiratory examination, bilateral chest was clear. There was no added sounds. On per abdomen examination, it was soft and non-tender. Mild hepatomegaly was present and bowel sounds was heard. When I have checked investigations, blood picture, LFT, KFT, ECG, lipid profile was all normal. On chest X-ray, I can see prominent bronchovascular markings. On ultrasound, there was impression of grade 2 fatty liver with mild hepatomegaly. And then I have done ABCD2 score for TIA, in which I found that it was 7. Because in this score, we see that there is age more than 60 years, which was not. 40-60. सेकेंड वी सी द BP 140 से 140 बाई 90 होना चाहिए, तो वो भी बड़ा हुआ था, 180 बाई 90 के आसपास था। स्पीच डिस्टर्बेंसेस प्रेजेंट थे, यूनिलेटरल वीकनेस प्रेजेंट थी। ड्यूरेशन ऑफ सिम्टम्स वाज मोर देन 60 मिनट्स, क्योंकि रात को 8 बजे सिम्टम्स शुरू हुए थे और सुबह 12 बजे वो इमरजेंसी में आई थी। एंड डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटिस की पुरानी हिस्ट्री होनी चाहिए पेशेंट की। सो ऑल व्हेन आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड इट, इट वाज 7. यू कैन सर्च ऑन इंटरनेट ऑल्सो ABCD2 score for TIA. And another score which I have calculated was Chadwick score, and in that I have calculated it was +3. We use the score to see if we have to start anticoagulants on that patient or not. So if it is more than 1 for males and it is more than 2 for females, so यहाँ पे +3 आया था, that means we have to start the anticoagulants for this patient. Further, my diagnosis was stroke, of course, because of this score, ABCD2 score, and now I want to align you towards what is stroke. So let's discuss in the very simple language what is stroke. When the blood supply of the brain is reduced, there is deprivation of the oxygen and nutrients in the brain tissue. Within some time, the brain cells begin to die. This is the theory of stroke. What are the risk factors for stroke? Medical risk factors is diabetes and heart disease. Lifestyle risk factors is your physical inactivity and obese. And let me acknowledge the fact that the patient is obese, which is in the ICU right now. Other risk factors are age, which should be more than 55 years, and gender is male में ज़्यादा common than females. Now what are the types of stroke? I will list you mainly 3 types of stroke here. One is ischemic, second is hemorrhagic, and third is transient ischemic attack. So in ischemic stroke, what is ischemic stroke? Artery to the brain becomes narrowed or blocked, causing severely reduced brain flow. There are 2 types, thrombotic and embolic. In thrombotic stroke, there is thrombus or the blood clot in one of the artery, and in embolic stroke there is blood clot or other debris which is away from the brain. Second is your hemorrhagic stroke. Blood vessel in your brain leaks or rupture. It is of 2 types, intracranial and subarachnoid. In intracranial, blood vessel in the brain burst and spill into the surrounding brain tissue, damaging the brain cell. And in subarachnoid hemorrhage, जो artery है on or near the surface of the brain burst and spill into the space between surfaces of brain and skull. वहाँ पर वो ब्रेन में फैल रहा है और subarachnoid में ब्रेन और स्कल के बीच में फैल रहा है. In TIA, which is also known as mini stroke, there is temporary decrease in the blood supply of to the part of the brain which may be little as 5 minutes. Now what are the symptoms of stroke? Patient stroke का कैसे पता चलेगा? तो there is a mnemonic called as BFAST, BEFAST. B means balance. Does the person have sudden loss of balance? In my patient, yes. E means eyes. Has the person lost the vision in one or both eyes? In my patient, yes. F means face. Does the person face look uneven? In my case, yes, because when I've examined the patient, there was 7th cranial nerve palsy, facial nerve palsy present थी, drooping था of the angle of the mouth. And जब मैंने बोला था कि पेशेंट को कि क्लोजली अपनी आंखें बंद करो, तो शी वॉज एबल टू क्लोज द आइज ऑफ द राइट साइड बट नॉट एबल टू क्लोज द आइज ऑफ द लेफ्ट साइड जहाँ पे पैरालिसिस था. नाउ फेस अनइवन लुक हो सकता है मेरे फेस में, येस. आर्म्स इज द वीकनेस इन वन और बोथ आर्म्स, मेरे केस में एक आर्म में वीकनेस थी. स्पीच इज द पर्सन स्पीच इज स्लर्ड, डज द पेशेंट हैव ट्रबल स्पीकिंग और कंफ्यूज्ड, येस. टाइम, कॉल द इमरजेंसी एम्बुलेंस एंड टेक टू द हॉस्पिटल. So further, we have to make the diagnosis of this patient according to the physical examination, your blood test, CT scan, MRI and carotid ultrasound. Complications क्या आ सकते हैं इस केस में? Paralysis, difficulty talking or swallowing, memory loss, emotional problems and changes in behavior. Preventive medications is your antiplatelet drugs and anticoagulants. And further, what is the treatment of the patient of the stroke is your surgical clipping of the artery, IV injections of TPA, that is tissue plasminogen activator, angioplasty and stents. So I really enjoyed learning this case because I did CNS examination, I have seen the deep tendon reflexes, also I have seen the proper symptoms a patient of stroke has. I hope you also enjoyed watching and learning from this video. Thank you. Dr. Muskan Bansal is signing off now.